If you have a free public account, then your login URL will always be the same. It'll be arcgis.com. When you get to the sign in, you'll use the ArcGIS login at the upper portion of the general ArcGIS login box. But if you have an organizational account, then you'll click on the organization's URL portion of the login, and you'll enter the domain that you created when you open the account. When you click continue, you'll see that your organization name is now at the top of the login box. And once you enter your credentials, you'll see that the URL is your specific organization's URL for the web address, and it is not the generic arcgis.com that's associated with all free public accounts. From the Overview tab, you can view your subscription ID, you can review your renewal date, as well as invite members to your organization and manage members of your organization. When you click on Manage Members, you'll be taken to a screen that allows you to assign the user type and role for each member of your organization. The credits panel is where you will see how many credits you have left and also how many credits your account is using each day. If you divide how many credits your account is using each day into the total remaining credits, then you'll get the number of days you have left before you need to purchase more credits. So if we divide 29 by 0.25, we get 116 days left before we need to purchase more credits. To view a more specific dashboard of credit usage, we click on View Status. Here we can view summaries for items that are costing us credits by day, month, year. We can set a custom date range. As you can see, the only things that are costing us credits right now are feature storage and file storage. If I click on feature storage, then I can see more detail into how many credits each feature I'm storing is utilizing. You can also view specific dashboards for content, apps, members, and groups. Or you can create reports based on activity, credits, items, or members. If you click on the Members tab, it takes you to the same member page that you got to by clicking on Manage Members from the Overview tab. If you click on the Licenses tab, this is where you will see the licenses that are available and also how many licenses have been assigned. You'll also be able to see what functions and applications are available with your specific level of licensing that you have. The Status tab is just another way to get to your credit dashboards. And the Settings tab is an important tab for your AGOL site look and feel. You can upload a logo as well as create a shared theme based on your branding guidelines or your organizational colors. You can set default functionality for your maps or for when you add new members. You can also set the security policies for accessing, permissions, for password policy, for login. You can require multi-factor authentication. I highly recommend that you go through and understand each tab of your settings page. The last thing I'll show you from up here in the upper right-hand corner next to your profile name is the app launcher. This is where you can easily access all the apps that your license allows you to have access to. Everything we've covered in this video is only for organizational accounts and not for free public accounts.